Hello friends, welcome to Brainy Street. Today we are going to see how to make flags on cube. This is part 3. If you missed part 2 and part 1, please click the I button to watch it. Let's start. First, we are going to see Armenian flag. Fact about Armenia. Armenia has the longest cable car line in the world. It is almost 18,871 feet long. Next, we are going to see Bangladesh flag. Fact about Bangladesh. It is the only country to fight and declare independence over language. Next, we are going to see Austria's flag. Fact about Austria. Austria is one of the most eco-friendly countries in the world. It recycles 63% of waste in the country. Now, we are going to see Bulgarian flag. Fact about Bulgaria. In Bulgaria, they will shake their head for yes and nod their head for no. Confusing, right? Now, we are going to see Chad's flag. Fact about Chad. For every 23,600 people, only one Chadian doctor is available. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video.